See, even if he did launch it, it's his money. He's backing what he believes in.
Yeah.
It's up to the people in the audience to accept or reject it.
Yeah.
If they reject it, who would be the loser? Mr. Bachchan and his son. So where nepotism? Say Shah Rukh Khan, or even Salman for that matter, he was rejected in his first film, Bibi Ho To Aise. And then Maine Pyar Kiya.
Came
or
here,
Pe-
yeah.
But he had to prove it on his own, not because he was Salim Saab's son. If that was the case, that film would have been a big hit.
If you can't laugh about your difficult times, how do you really get through them?
Does social media following translate into tickets? It doesn't. Look at the biggest of stars. You think they are translating into tickets? No way. At the end of the day, it's a trailer which will make them go to a theatre or to put on the OTT or wherever it's being released. Itna bhi social media pe kar lo. They will feel trailer is the bomb. When we did Boogie Woogie or even when I did Takeshi's, script nahi thi. It was organic, even Boogie Woogie. It was like kya napatula kuch nahi. It was just purely what went gut feel, and that worked. अभी बहुत napatula हो. Actually, there's a film. और अभी आप सोशल मीडिया की बात कर रही हैं, तो उसको मैं देखते रहता हूँ जिस तरह से लोग बात करते हैं. So there's a lot of demand for Jayantra Mohan.
Yes.
Yeah. मतलब आप स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स देखेंगे उस फिल्म की.
Yeah.
अपने वक्त के लिए वो बहुत अच्छी साफ सुथरे थे एंड एक प्यारी सी कहानी थी. आई थिंक री रिलीज की बात आई थिंक इट मे स्टिल वर्क.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am in conversation with the cast of In Galiyon Mein, Javed sir, Avantika, Vivan and Avinash sir. Hello and welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
सर आपसे ही शुरुआत करना चाहूंगी. यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट, द सब्जेक्ट, आपने लव को जिस तरीके से एक्सप्लोर किया है, आज के टाइम पे आई डोंट थिंक कोई इतना रिस्क लेता है ऐसे सब्जेक्ट एक्सप्लोर करने का, राइट? जब आपने सोचा ये कॉन्सेप्ट का, आपको भी वो एक कह सकते हैं ना एप्रिहेंशन था कि ओके जजमेंट्स कहीं नेगेटिव ना जाए, जबकि स्टोरी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है.
नहीं, देखिए क्या है कि जजमेंट सोच करके तो हम कभी कोई कहानी सोचते. इस फिल्म में एक बहुत अच्छा डायलॉग है जो जावेद साहब ने बोला है कि नफरत तो केवल मोहब्बत ही मिटा सकती है.
True.
या मार सकती है. तो ये जरूरी था इस तरह की प्रेम कहानी को ऐसे समय में कहना जब बहुत तरह का संदेह, बहुत तरह का दुराव, रिश्तों में बहुत तरह की मुश्किलें लोगों के बीच दिख रही है. तो लगा कि ये कहानी जो है उसको होना ही चाहिए आज के हिंदी सिनेमा के दौर.
Definitely. You know, Vivan, Avantika, your chemistry looks beautiful on screen, and having seen the trailer, I would say that. But you know, Avantika, this is your first theatrical release, and one, you're coming on big screens after quite some time, I would say. But you know, still, when you know people talk about your legacy, your background, and you know, easily बोल देते कि यार इनके लिए तो सब आसान है. But you guys know how you have worked hard to come here, right? How do you react to all this chatter around you and make sure that okay, your craft is not hampered?
I think the most important thing is to put down and do the work. You know, with exactly like you said, this chatter, you gotta close the noise off and just put down and do your work. And hopefully let the work speak for itself.
Yeah,
Vivan?
absolutely. Let the work speak for itself and focus on the craft, not on the bells and whistles which try to sway us and distract us, but to focus on the craft and the real, the matter, the sort of the meat of the work. You know, to just focus on that and to improve one's craft and to try to do the best job that one possibly can. And it's always a great moment when you get to share your work with the audience. That's a very special occasion for us right now.
Which craft?
Which craft?
But you know, have this conversation ever put pressure on you guys?
It's a positive pressure. I think it really motivates us to work harder and to make our parents and family proud. You know, I think like the pressure motivates one to work harder. I've always felt it like that.
Avantika?
For
Like, has it ever pressurized you have this?
yeah, of course, there is a certain amount of pressure. And I think the important part is you don't want it to dictate the work that you do. So I'll speak for myself in terms of the kind of characters that I'm portraying, whether it was in the web series or with this. I'm trying to break the idea around me or the idea that someone would attach normally. So that when they look back at my work, you can see, you can't make those assumptions.
Yeah.
And that's what I hope to do.
But you know, Vivan, when I see your filmography, you know, I feel you are very picky while you do any project because आपके projects काफी while बाद release होते हैं, right? There is a certain amount of gap when you do projects. But you know, initially when you did a film like say, Saath Khoon Maaf or a Happy New Year, do you believe, Vivan, कि उसके बाद the kind of say the offers or the stardom you should have got that somewhere or the other missed the mark?
I don't know. These are all very abstract sort of questions, and like these are
Just knowing your feelings.
not something that suppose one mustn't dwell on these sorts of things. One must focus on the work and not, I guess, be preoccupied by notions of success and failure. Success, failure, you know, safalta, asafalta. All these things are part of the bargain. You know that you have to take it in one stride, and I'm just fortunate that I've been employed all these years. You know that I've had consistent employment.
Yes.
And
Which most
yeah,
people
well,
don't.
both, yeah, exactly.
exactly.
I'm very grateful for that.
Yeah.
And like I said earlier, also, you know, I'm not picky and choosy. The work chooses me, not vice versa, not the other way around.
True.
Work chooses the actor in my case, not the actor choosing the work.
True, definitely. Javed, so you know, I would like to ask you a question, but my example के साथ पूछूंगी. You know, today Amitabh Bachchan just retweeted or I would say posted that how Abhishek got the limelight in lieu of nepotism in a very wrong way. Okay, I would like to ask you, how do you see, you know, the social media scenario and the unnecessary scrutiny coming around these conversations?
Yeah, that's the word, unnecessary.
Yeah.
It's just unnecessary. I mean, I don't even think it applies too much.
Yeah.
Like what Bachchan Saab said. He didn't, see, even if he did launch his son,
Yeah.
it's his money.
Yeah.
He's backing what he believes in.
Yeah.
It's up to the people in the audience to accept or reject it.
Yeah.
If they reject it, who would be the loser?
True.
Mr. Bachchan and his son. So where nepotism? I'm the one taking the risk. I'm the one putting the money.
Yeah.
I'm the one putting the effort.
True.
You are the one very convenient. And the audience is the boss at the end of the day.
True.
In one moment, I baklas it. They can do that.
Yeah.
So where does nepotism come?
Yeah.
I'm putting my money, my effort, my time. What is your problem?
True.
I will back who I feel I want to back.
Yeah.
You know? So it's like, it doesn't even apply in the film industry.
True.
I mean, let's face it, look at the history, look at the people who have been the biggest of stars. See, a few of them have been children of, you know, stars. But if you look at, say, Shah Rukh Khan, or even Salman for that matter, he was rejected in his first film, Bibi Ho To Aisi. And then Maine Pyar Kiya.
Yeah.
But he had to prove it on his own, not because he was Salim Saab's son. If that was the case, that film would have been a big hit,
True.
first one. So I just feel, you know, we have Akshay Kumar, we have, you know, in the recent times, a lot of the actors who've been there, I mean, right from Mr. Bachchan when he came, and Rajesh Khanna Saab, and all these actors. So a few of them in the Sanjay Dutt came later, and Sunny Deol came, and Kumar Gaurav came. Bachchan Saab's son, let's say, he had so many films after which he was accepted as an actor.
Yeah.
It didn't work box office wise,
True.
but he was a good actor, and he's improved and he proved his mettle. And you know, so I just feel you have to prove yourself at the end of the day. This nepotism business doesn't count at all in our industry.
No.
We're not playing with public money. We're playing with our own money. Whoever's putting the money does.
And you know, sir, even recently, like if I see Vivan's character, he is like this addicted to social media person in the movie, right? Recently, when you expressed your views on how social media is necessarily not the parameter of, say, success for the success of a movie, right? But today, sir, how do you see the definition of stardom changing with its advent? Because आपने कहीं ना कहीं 70s, 80s के भी actor का एक कह सकते हैं ना organic stardom देखा around you. So today, do you think social media has changed the definition of stardom
No.
to the whole?
Look, for a film actor, his film will speak, his work will speak. For a cricketer, his work, his performance will speak.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, that is what matters.
True.
अगर वो perform नहीं करे, let's talk about cricketers. All the advertising which they get, which is a byproduct, but which somehow becomes the main product of their livelihood, in a way, if you look at the numbers, it's all dependent on how you perform.
True.
Same thing applies to an actor. So just because, does social media following translate into tickets? It doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Stardom.
Look at the biggest of stars. You think they are translating tickets? No way. It is their film and their work which finally speaks, and the audience takes that. And that's the criteria. Nothing to do with, I got 80 million, 20 million, 100 million. Does it
Sure.
translate? Show me where it translates into ticket. Show me one case.
बट फ्रॉम ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू ऑल्सो आई वांट टू नो अभी मूवी आने से भी पहले ना आजकल एक प्रेशर बन गया ना, क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पे थोड़ा प्रमोट करो, पुश करो, देन ओनली मे बी इट विल reach the audience. Do you also three think कि sometimes organically the movie should reach rather than be using social media as a tool?
I mean, we would want it that way.
Yeah.
I think we would definitely want it that way, that it reaches organically and people hear about it and know about it. But again, I think it's used as a tool of information, right? Just a medium to let people know about it.
हाँ, लोगों तक खबर पहुंचनी चाहिए.
Because of the clutter. There's so much happening. People are, I have just those 2 seconds to hold. So just to the awareness कि भाई ये एक film आ रही है. Just for people to know there's a film coming. At the end of the day, is the trailer which will make them go to a theater or to put on the OTT or wherever it's being released. It is the trailer which will basically push them into saying, I want to watch this film.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
True.
Kitna bhi social media pe kar lo, they will feel trailer is the bap.
Exactly.
That is it.
Completely agree. But अविनाश सर, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, अभी ना एक ट्रेंड आ रहा है थिएटर्स में भी अबाउट द री रिलीजेस एंड देम डूइंग लाइक ग्रेट बिजनेस ऑन बॉक्स ऑफिस, आई वुड से. बट ऐसे टाइम पे भी एज डायरेक्टर जब आप सोचते हो कि आई वांट टू गेट माय प्रोडक्ट इनटू थिएटर, एक बॉक्स ऑफिस प्रेशर बना रहता है अभी सर?
नहीं, अब नहीं है, क्योंकि देखिए क्या है कि अब तो उस लेवल पे रिलीज भी नहीं होती है जिसमें बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन को लेकर के बहुत कॉन्शियस हो डायरेक्टर. मुझे लगता है कि हमारा काम फिल्म बनाने के साथ खत्म हो जाता है ना. उसके बाद की चीजें आपको कंटिन्यू रखती है बॉलीवुड में या किसी भी इस तरह के प्रैक्टिस में, या आपको बाहर फेंक देती है. अगर 2017 में मेरी फिल्म एक आई, उसके बाद 3 फिल्में बना चुका हूँ मैं, 2 वेब सीरीज बना इसलिए रहा हूँ क्योंकि लोगों को लग रहा है कि ये बना सकता है. बाकी चीजें हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, लोगों के हाथ में है. अगर बहुत बुरा बना रहा होता तो मुझे काम नहीं मिलता. यही मसला मेरे लिए बहुत.
जावेद सर, कमिंग टू यू, मैं पूछना चाहूंगी अभी, लाइक वी स्पोक अबाउट द ट्रेंड ऑफ री रिलीजेस, व्हिच मूवी ऑफ योर्स यू वांट की री रिलीज हो?
एक्चुअली जैसे फिल्म, और अभी आप सोशल मीडिया की बात कर रही हैं तो उसमें मैं देखते रहता हूँ जिस तरह से लोग बात करते हैं. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड फॉर जजेंद्र मोहन.
यस,
और एक उस वक्त जब बनी थी, अपने टाइम के लिए बहुत एक
It was ahead for
एफिशिएंट फिल्म थी. मतलब आप स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स देखेंगे उस फिल्म की,
या
अपने वक्त के लिए वो बहुत अच्छी, साफ सुथरे थे, एंड एक प्यारी सी कहानी थी. इट वर्क. एंड आई थिंक पीपल टुडे बोलते हैं कि सर उसका कोई पार्ट 2 बनाइए या उसको. तो आई थिंक री रिलीज की बात आती है कि इट मे स्टिल वर्क.
Our generation grew up on that. All of us. Like, I vividly remember the day I saw the film in the theater. I vividly remember, like it was yesterday. I can remember.
एंड सर जजंतरम ममंतरम का तो सीक्वल चाहिए, बट धमाल 4 पे क्या आपके?
वो तो आ रही है, बनाएंगे.
You started shooting for it?
No, we will start from this month, middle of this month.
And so, talking to you, obviously, I can't really forget the image of your hosting Boogie Woogie or a show like Takeshi's Castle. Even today, sir, जब लोग आपको compliment करते हैं उस चीज पे, how do you feel? Because I somewhere heard कि that time there were judgments on you कि अरे you're going from films to TV, you're going from say acting to hosting. But today, those shows have got their due, I would say. And do you feel, sir, today the reality shows are losing its sheen, having come from that space?
वो थोड़ी मैकेनिकल हो गए. When you did Boogie Woogie, or even when I did Takeshi's, script नहीं थी. It was organic. Even Boogie Woogie, it was like क्या नपातुला कुछ नहीं. It was just purely what went gut feel, and that worked.
Yeah.
Because it was organic. अभी बहुत नपातुला हो गया है. वो एक corporate element. No, they want to bring corporatization into creativity. ना वो and it becomes very clinical. वो film or anything in entertainment इतना clinical नहीं होता है. It has to work on a different level. So I feel, and for me, like you said, वो भी बहुत मिला है, ऊपर वाले का करम है, लोगों ने जो इतना प्यार दिया कोई भी एक्टर के लिए. अगर आपको कोई बोलेगा हमें आपका काम अच्छा लगा, तो डेफिनेटली अंदर से बहुत खुशी होती है कि आपने जो मेहनत की वो लोगों ने पसंद की है. वो बहुत एक, आई थिंक खास तौर से एक कलाकार के लिए, एंड आई स्पीक फॉर आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस, कि अगर कोई आपके काम को पसंद करता है, वो इज द बेस्ट रेम्यूनरेशन एक्चुअली. मनी इज सेकेंडरी दैट.
टू क्लोज दिस मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, सो आपने जैसा ट्रेलर कट किया है, क्योंकि हमने पहले ही देख लिया है, बस यू हैव टच्ड अपॉन अ सीरियस टॉपिक, नो डाउट. आपने एक बहुत फन एलिमेंट भी ऐड किया उसमें, राइट? देयर आर डायलॉग्स व्हिच कम आउट एज विटी ऑर्गेनिकली. बट आप लोगों को लगता है कि आज के टाइम पे ह्यूमरस होना थोड़ा डेंजरस भी हो गया बिकॉज यू नेवर नो लोग क्या परसीव करे या क्या उसको मिसअंडरस्टैंड करे फ्रॉम ऑल फोर ऑफ यू आवर राइट
मुझे लगता है इसी तरह के समय में लोगों का ह्यूमर जो है वो ज्यादा खुल के बाहर आता है। मैं पर्टिकुलर किसी भी एरा की बात नहीं करूंगा कि उस जमाने में उनके लोगों का ह्यूमर क्या था, हमारे जमाने में जो आज जो 10 सालों से देख रहे हैं उसमें ह्यूमर कैसे वर्क कर रहा है। ह्यूमर सब चीजों का इलाज है।
वो रस तो है, ह्यूमर रस, डेंजरस,
बाकी आप बोलो सर।
दोनों में रस।
I would like to know from two of you also because
Absolutely, a humor is a great. It's almost like a great X-ray of a time period. You know, it can give you a diagnosis almost of what the society is like at a certain given period of time.
Right.
Avantika.
हमारे लिए ज्यादा पॉलिटिकल सवाल हो गया है।
So I think that unfortunately I feel like there is going to be amount of curtailing to the voices, and I think that especially with humor it shouldn't be, right? Because humor is the, like he said, it is a great extent, it's a reflection of society at that point of time, and if you can't laugh about your difficult times, how do you really get through that?
नहीं, और अलग से लगने लगा ना कि हमारी सोसाइटी का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बड़ा कमाल का हो गया आजकल।
I think जो रियलिटी है इतनी अजीब
देखो,
और
जब-
फनी है
यानी कि नहीं,
और
नहीं और खास तौर पे जब उसको दबाने की कोशिश की जा रही है तो मतलब कुछ इफेक्ट हो रहा हो।
सही बात है।
Yeah, so would you like to add something? Because
No, we just spoke about it.
Yeah.
That's it. I think it's, देखिए वो लाइन अंदर कुछ होनी चाहिए कि आप खास तौर से हिंदुस्तान, रिलीजन मत जाओ, क्या जरूरत है, वो बहुत सेंसिटिव चीज है। पॉलिटिक्स, यस, बिकॉज यू नो दे आर द वन यू हैव आस्क्ड टू बेसिकली टेक केयर ऑफ द कंट्री, एंड इफ दे आर नॉट डूइंग द राइट जॉब, इट इज इन, करना ही चाहिए। You have to ask them questions. They are not about, like I said, religion is a different thing, a very sensitive thing. वो एक अलग चीज होती है, लेकिन anything else, whether it's movies, sports, politics, definitely we have to be open to criticism via humor. So I think, I think very important.
thank you so much. I'm really looking forward for the movie and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey, hello, hi, मैं हूँ जावेद जाफरी and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, this is Avantika and you're watching me only on Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, this is Vivan Shah and you're watching me only on Bollywood Bubble.
मैं अविनाश दास हूँ और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड बाउल पर।